All right, LIGA currently at 0061. Last time we looked at it right here on the 10th of April, I said 0066, volume is starting to slow and might go sideways. Resistance at 0066, support at 006 and 0055, gap at 0053 and 0055 might fill here if volume does not pick up. And headed down to that 10-day simple moving average. We talked about that one as well with this one. LIGA talking about going back down that 10-day simple moving average in the last video, and we did get that right here. I will like to note that there is still a gap right here at the 0055 and 0053 right there in that area. You guys still have that gap that I am watching. You guys did get a nice bounce off that 10-day simple moving average and got through that resistance level that I was actually just watching about 10 minutes before we did this video. You guys had a little bit of a resistance level at that 006, starting to break through it right now. The volume has been dropping off though, and I got to point that out right now. Down here, you guys can see that volume has just been really dropping and slowing down. Just random days over here, like the 10th was just such a weak day with 14 million, then followed up with 30 million, 34 million after that, and the day before 65 million, and then pop, big drop. The volume just dies off, and I've been noticing that here. You see it right here as well, and then you see it right here as it's starting to happen more and more often. It's very possible. I still believe that that gap is going to fill. You're going to come down this 10-day simple moving average to fill that, or I'm sorry, the 20-day simple moving average. Again, with this chart going straight up like that, I think that it's going to chill down and more than likely going to probably bounce a little bit and then come back down to the 20-day simple moving average, which is going to fill that and then start the next steady move up there from there, in my personal opinion. But we'll continue to watch it because every single gap that's on this chart right here has been filled. All the way up except this one. And I can see that just by looking through here, the whole chart. So keep that in mind. You guys just pulled down right now. It's not too sure. Look at that spinning top sitting on the 10-day. Not too sure which way she wants to go. See if Joe has anything to add here.
What was the last time we went over it together?
That is going to be March 22nd.
Okay, so they had a press release on March 29th. And that was LIG Assets Incorporated enters joint venture with Live Ship Global Seafood Logistics. So LIG Assets Incorporated, also known as Leader in Green Assets or LIGA, has entered into a venture partnership with Live Ship Global Seafood Logistics to utilize LIGA's and Robert Plar's exclusive sustainable technologies and products to upgrade existing structures and construct new state-of-the-art warehouses and distribution centers in conjunction with Live Seafood transportation systems across North America, with plans to expand the partnership to projects in Australia and Southeast Asia that completely revolutionize how seafood is stored and shipped worldwide. So LIGA and Plar's technology utilizes magnesium oxide and geopolymers that are toxic-free compared to traditional materials that possesses vastly superior mold, fungus, and rot-forming resistance. The materials withstand temperatures of 4,000 degrees and can be produced, replicating the aesthetics of virtually any natural substance, including polished marble and wood, except that they are inexpensive and can last hundreds of years while dramatically improving the health and longevity of the live seafood products by providing the materials for increased care of product at all points of the supply chain. Construction material that have been used historically, primarily metal, wood, and plastic, are still currently being used in literally every aspect of seafood transportation and storage. Each present their own individual and costly problems for the global seafood industry, such as durability, contamination potential, regular replacement maintenance, and degradation from rot, fungus, use of various other environmental contract factors. The Live Ship has a worldwide exclusive agreement to transport live lobster and live snow crab using patented technology. Transport 25,000 pounds of live seafood using specifically designed 40-foot sea containers. These live seafood sea containers are designed to be transported by road, rail, and vessel worldwide, which greatly reduce transport rates, handling, and carbon emissions using the recently released TraceStar crate from BioNovations Live Ship's live seafood container clients will be able to have the complete supply chain of product from boat to plate worldwide. LIG is inclusive, will not only revolutionize the entire global seafood industry, but change it forever, thanks to the new partnership between LIG Assets and Live Ship Global Seafood Logistics. Another product Live Ship will be utilizing is LIGA Implars exceptional in energy-saving R60 installation materials to increase capabilities and decrease the cost of maintaining warehouses or warehouse storage and shipping facilities, internal temperature control requirements for seafood freshness and safety, as well as regulatory guidelines. All right, so you know what? I read all that. I might as well, yeah, but Dave, I might as well read this too. It's the
Okay.
comment from this. Now, there's two of them. You know, within that press release is two different comments from the chairman of the chairman of the board, Eric Simons. He's the LIGA chairman, and then there's one from Jim Gillis, the president of Live Ships. So both of them have a nice, good paragraph of a comment in regards to this joint venture. But that's there right there within the press release. So if you guys are interested in continuing on reading them about this right there, just go right to the March 29th press release. They also had what was this right here? What day? All right, the annual report was up on March 29th as well. So I pulled that up. And let's see. Bear with me. It's 22 pages. All right, so they had for December 31st, 2016, they had a net loss of $372,567. And it's not as, I don't have the comparative for 2015 over here. So they had, let's see, all right, so there's no revenue. Yeah, so there's no revenue for 2016. So whatever these guys are doing, it's just getting started, I guess. All right, so if you have an opinion, you want to do more due diligence on this company, just go right over to the LIGA board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right, like I said over here, 0058 trying to bounce off that 10-day simple moving average. See that right here. If volume continues to slow down, it will pull back to the 20-day simple moving average down here, in my personal opinion. 0047-ish area. Again, remember, I said 0047, but this does move with it, so it might not be that low. It could be 005, okay? Gap at 0053 and 55. Might be getting ready to fill here. Definitely keep a watch on it. Big moves here. Might need to chill back a little bit. We'll see how it plays out. LIGA. Again, if you follow it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And share this video with all other investors on different social networks and stock message boards and stock forums. We would appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, let us know about it at investorshangout.com/live.